The Oklahoma Supreme Court strikes down a law that would have placed a 1% fee on claims paid by private health insurers and companies with self-insured health care plans. The court ruling that the law, which was set to go into effect on Friday, is unconstitutional. Ed Murray joins us now with reaction. Ed?
Well, Alex, State Insurance Commissioner Kim Holland says this is a great day for those that believe our Constitution is worth upholding. She successfully argued the legislature violated the law by passing a revenue bill in the final 5 days of the session and without the 3/4 supermajority needed. The state chamber also applauding the decision as a victory for business owners and their workers.
Obviously, we're very happy that this bill was thrown out by the Supreme Court because it would have cost the business community about $78 million in a new cost.
But that's also $78 million that won't be coming into the Medicaid system, creating a hole in the state's budget.
We don't need a special session because unexpectedly and luckily the federal government provided us more health care dollars 2 weeks ago. We can use those dollars to plug the budget hole that was caused by the Supreme Court decision. But again, the big problem is next year the bill will come due and it's going to be tough to fill it.
This is going to be a train wreck.
Democratic State Representative Richard Morissette voted for the fee. He's just glad there will be money available right now.
Well, thank God for the federal government, which everybody seems to be against these days.
Several Republican state leaders are praising the court's decision and looking ahead. House Budget Chairman Ken Miller. As state leaders continue to address our budget challenges, we must do so in a fiscally responsible manner without placing additional burdens on taxpayers. And State Representative Dan Sullivan. We need to find other ways to fund our Medicaid program than to rely on job-killing taxes. Incoming House leadership has developed a plan that would create the revenue necessary for Medicaid funding without relying on a tax increase.
There isn't any plan. Just like this year, it's all hocus pocus. They're going to raise fees on everything.
Morissette also reminding us lawmakers won't have $600 million in stimulus dollars next time around either. I talked to Representative Sullivan late today by phone from his Tulsa home. He reiterated that the next speaker, Chris Steele, does have a plan, one that hospitals have requested in the past, but this time with needed exemptions. Alex?
All right, Ed, thanks. We'll be watching that, and there will be a new governor when this next debate takes place. Governor Brad Henry is expected to visit with legislative leaders to see if there's anything he can do to make this a